me for a story. In the Tall, Tall Grass by Denise Fleming. In the tall, tall grass. Crunch, munch, caterpillars, lunch. Dart, dip, hummingbirds, sip. Strum, drum, bees, hum. How many bees do we see in this picture? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bees. Bzz, 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 bzz. How many caterpillars do you see? Oh, I think it's just one. And it's right there. Crack, snap, wings flap. Do you see where that caterpillar is? I do. Take a moment and point him out to a friend. Pull, tug, ants, lug. Slip, slide, snakes, glide. How many snakes do you see? Let's count them. 1 snake, 2 snakes. Look at this snake. It looks like the letter S. Can you draw the letter S in the air with your finger? S. Rich, wretch, moles, scratch. How many moles do you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3 moles. And if you see that caterpillar, take your finger and point him out too. Skitter, scurry, beetles, hurry. 1 beetle, 2 beetles, 3 beetles, 4 beetles, 5 beetles, 6 beetles, 7 beetles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Zip, zap, tongues snap. How many frogs do we see? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. 3 frogs. And look, there's our little friend the caterpillar. Hip hop, ears flop. Stop. Go. Fireflies glow. Let's take a closer look at those fireflies and count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fireflies with our friendly caterpillar. Lunge, loop, bats, swoop. Let's count those bats. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stars bright, moonlight. Look at the caterpillar. Look at the stars. Look at that beautiful round moon. Good night, tall, tall grass. The end. In the Tall, Tall Grass by Denise Fleming. Well, I'll be. Look, everybody, it's Geraldine Butterfly. Wasn't that a great story? Geraldine Butterfly and I love stories about nature. Now we have a little song that we want to sing with you. Out in the sun, animals and insects have fun. In the tall, tall grass, out in the sun, animals and insects have fun. In the tall, tall grass. Yay! Until next time, be safe and take care. Bye!